Well. Yesterday we published a video about Hellcat engines being ordered en masse. And today I got pictures and video of them producing a ton of Hellcat engines down there in Mexico. I wonder what they're going in. All right, guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage. So, very preliminary, but according to a couple of my executive sources, I said maybe the Durango is going to be back for 2026, and it could be. But it looks like they're going to put some of these Hellcat engines in Rams. I don't know if these are for mules or what the situation is here, but they are currently ramping up production of the original regular Hellcat engine. This isn't the Red Eye. This isn't the Demon 170. This isn't the Elephant engine. Just the regular Hellcat engine in Saltillo, Mexico. And I'm excited for it. I dropped this story yesterday because if they are putting them in Rams, like RHOs, aka the TRX, and they're going to mule those around, if they're going to do something with emissions or whatever to try to make that more compliant, it would be interesting to see. I want to see it because I think that is the news that Ram needs, just to say that, hey, we are looking at making some fast trucks. We are looking at getting back to our heritage, to where we need to be as a brand. And to see that is exciting, at least from my standpoint. But yeah, I got these photos in because I did the video yesterday, and then somebody that actually works down at the factory literally was like, check this out, and sent me some photos. And I was like, how many of these do you normally manufacture? And they gave me the numbers and where they're at now, and I'm just like, yeah, they're making those engines for a reason. They're not making those engines because Direct Connection all of a sudden just got a bunch of orders. Nope. That means either the Durango's hanging out for 2026 or they're building a bunch of mules for Ram, and they're going to test this Hellcat engine and a bunch of stuff, and I'm all for it. But I digress. Not a long video, just a bonus video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Do you think it's going in a Ram, or are they ramping up production so they have enough engines for the Durangos for 2026? Love to know what you guys think. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.